delicious, right? We're going to go to North Carolina. Mark, come on up here. Give Mark a nice round of applause from North Carolina. Mark, what do you do back home, man?
I'm an investment banker at Credit Suisse.
Investment banker, right? So okay, there we go. He knows what to do with the money over there. So, and banana split. I'm going to take that out, right? Banana split, right? Banana split. We got a family show over here, right? So okay, right? So there's a lot of kids over here. So banana split, right? We're going to talk about that later. Don't worry, right? Okay. And why the banana split?
It tastes like banana split. And then the other part of it is none of the ingredients are alcohol, or none of the ingredients are non-alcoholic. So you didn't say the full name or whatever.
Okay, I see what you mean. So it is basically all alcohol going in there, right? So it is a different banana split, right? So yes, it's a original one. So I like this one as a frozen drink as well. So come on over here. Let's make it over here.